Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can record reimbursable expenses QuickBooks Desktop. So let's get started. From the QuickBooks homepage, hover over the Expenses option on the left-hand side and click on Expenses. Your tab will look something like a list of past transactions. Now, to create a new reimbursable expense, click the green button and select Expense. First, choose the payment account that will be used for this reimbursable expense. You may want to create a dedicated account specifically for reimbursable expenses, but for now, I'll use an existing one as an example. You can always add a new account by selecting the Add New option. Next, in the field that asks who did you pay, select the customer or person you made the payment to. If they're eligible for reimbursement, this ensures the record is properly linked. Then, select the payment method, for example, cash, and if needed, add a reference number. Enter the amount of the expense, such as $10, in the amount field. You can also include a memo for additional notes and attach any receipts or supporting documents. Once everything is filled out correctly, click Save. You can do the same steps in QuickBooks Desktop, as well. The process is similar in both QuickBooks. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.